In this guide, I'm going to show you the Growbed Blueprint Location here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is quite a bit of a distance away from the life pod. If you're starting off at the life pod, you need to go ahead and make your way pretty much exactly east until you hit the giant alien base. You're going to pass through multiple different platforms and biomes and pass by at least one collector leviathan as of right now, so just be prepared for that. This is going to be after you enter the heat zone as well. As long as you stay kind of close to the ground, this guy will just leave you alone. Just don't stray too far off, because over in that way, it's just void right now. They haven't fully fleshed out those biomes. You need to go pretty much down under this section. Once you pass this little base right here, that's when you're going to see that collector leviathan. But once again, just keep heading directly east, because you need to make your way over to that alien power plant, bro. Just leave me alone right now, okay? I don't got time for this. Now, once you start kind of seeing these biomes, you know you're in the right area. You'll see this giant alien tower over here. Once you're over at this alien tower, you could just swim directly around it, and you're going to see what, I usually use to define this area. If this area is not, as, big enough of a definition, you can also see this kind of like glowing little like alien structure as well, which is very helpful to see at night especially. It's going to be located right over there. And I'll pause real quick so you guys can see my coordinates down in the bottom right. But once you see those two structures, you can just head in between them. You're going to see this little base. And the first grow bed is going to be right up on top of this base. So simply go ahead and get out of your vehicle, right? And you need to scan this grow bed just like so. There's going to be two of these, so be ready for that second one. And what's super convenient is the second one is just right here. I know, I kind of baited you guys a little bit thinking you were going to have to go super far. Nope, it's literally right on top of this section and then right here. And once again, I'll pause so you guys can get those coordinates. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.